Hi and welcome to this video. You are required to obtain the value of x. So the first thing is we write 8 to base 2. 8 to base 2 is the same as 2 power 3. After writing 8 to base 3, then we remove the bracket on the index so that we obtain 2 power 3x plus 3 minus 2 power 3x minus 1 is equal to 120. Then we separate the index form. 2 power 3x plus 3 can be written as 2 power 3x multiplied by 2 power 3. Then 2 power 3x minus 1 is the same as 2 power 3x multiplied by 2 power negative 1, which is equal to 120 by use of the law of indices. So we are employing this law of indices here, which tells us that if you have the bases as the same, then you can add the index. So that is what I have made use of here, whereby now I have separated the index. Instead of 2 power 3x plus 3 can be written as 2 power 3x multiplied by 2 power 3, and instead of 2 power 3x minus 1 can be written as 2 power 3x times 2 power negative 1. Then we let 2 power 3x to be equal to a number. I have chosen 2 power 3x to be equal to p. You could have taken any other number of your choice, and the result will be the same. So substituting, where we have 2 power 3x, we substitute with the p, we are going to obtain the following. So we shall obtain p multiplied by 2 power 3 minus p multiplied by 2 power negative 1, which is equal to 120. So we shall have now 8p minus p over 2, which is equal to 120. Because 2 power 3 is the same as 8, and the 2 power negative 1 is the same as 1 over 2. So we multiply by 2 on both sides so that we obtain the following. So 8p times 2 will be 16p. P over 2 times 2 will be p. 120 times 2 will be 240. 16p minus p is the same as 15p, which is equal to 240. So we divide by 15 both sides. 240 divided by 15 will give us 16. So our p is equivalent to 16. Then we remember the substitution we had made above here, that p is equal to 2 power 3x. So we substitute there to obtain 2 power 3x is equal to 16. 16 to base 2 is the same as 2 power 4. So 2 power 3x is equal to 2 power 4. Now, since our bases are the same, we are going to equate the index. So we shall have 3x being equal to 4, meaning that our x is equal to 4 over 3 after dividing by 3 both sides. So x is the same as 1 and 1 over 3. That is 4 divided by 3. So in this video, we were required to solve for x, and the first thing which we have done was to write 8 in terms of 2. 8 is the same as 2 power 3. Then here we removed the bracket. And from there, by use of this law of indices, we separated the index. 2 power 3x multiplied by 2 power 3. Also, we separated the index in this part. 2 power x minus 1, which is the same as 2 power 3x multiplying by 2 power negative 1. Then we made the substitution of p to be equal to 3 to p to be equal to 2 power 3x. Substituting there, we have p multiplying by 2 power 3 minus p multiplying by 2 power negative 1, which is equal to 120. 2 power 3 is the same as 8. 8 multiplying by p is 8p. 2 power negative 1 is the same as 1 over 2. 1 over 2 times p is p over 2. Then you multiplying by 2 throughout this part to obtain 8p times 2 is 16p. P over 2 times 2 is p. 120 times 2 is 240. Then we divided by 15 both sides so that we are left with the p. 240 divided by 15 is 16. And then we made the substitution, which we had made up here, that p is the same as 2 power 3x. Then we expressed 16 into base 2. 16 is the same as 2 power 4. Then since the bases are the same, we equated the index. 3x is equal to 4 and we divided by 3. So our answer is 1 1/3. Thanks so much for taking time to study with me. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.